that take no logic, but skill is king, because this is what you all are turning yourselves into. My dear friends, you've got androids, if you're missing that. सर्वप्रथम अंगठ्याकडून सहीकडे नेणारे शिक्षक आणि सहीकडून पुन्हा अंगठ्याकडे नेणारी टेक्नॉलॉजी, दोन्ही गुरूंना माझे साष्टांग दंडवत. My worthy opponents are living in a completely unrealistic world. They're completely narcissistic like the gentleman out here, and they're lacking human touch, because Rajnikant is not a reality. It is a lack of human touch. Technology obsessed turns you into these kind of robos. Let's not miss the point of this debate. Both these are mutually non-exchangeable phenomena. They're like chalk and cheese. You can't compare and pit one against the other. To develop and practice good technology, you need a skill set. Neither can replace each other, and only when you have a symbiosis of your mental skills with good technology and where to apply them, then it becomes a complementary ideal situation. Major achievements and strides in progress in orthopedic surgery, of course, are due to technology, but there's a caveat. Technology gets addictive. Just look at half the audience here. All of them are glued on their phones and WhatsApp all the time. It's get addictive. But if you practice good skills again and again, practice makes man perfect. So don't mistake this. Even he can get it, and still they haven't got it. A skillful application and a good storytelling will result in masterpieces and magnum opus like the two movies shown here from either side of the world. But this kind of technology use and which is going on with these talking toms is gimmicky, wasteful, and perverse. So if you have skillful but overuse of technology, even if you are affluent, well achieved, and a dumbbell, you will make mistakes like this. Over advertisement, you will completely miss the point. But on the other hand, if you're in the smallest of destinations and you're skilled, even a compounder can make use of technology to his advantage. So please note, it is the mental skill which counts over here. All these are beneficial. None of us are debating that at all, that all these have a place in orthopedics. But beware of overkill, especially if oversold for commercial gains. Don't believe me? Let's talk about pediatric orthopedics, Taral. 3D gait analysis, genetics, blah, 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 everything he's going to tell us. But its application is to a limited subset of patients. It's still an evolving science in many things. There is a dependency. There's a lot of ethical issues involved when you use image-guided surgeries. You're subjecting the child to radiation, and you're complicating a simple thing. Taral always likes to hold his ear like this. So, don't believe me? Let's see. This is how Taral sells himself to his patients and comes out like hero material. Then he uses costly jigs, as he's proudly advertising a jig which costs nearly 50,000 for a simple supracondylar fracture on the groups. Are chaila kasli technology re? These are your business skills, my dear friend Taral. And this is what results in prosperity. So beta, पहले काबिल बनो, कामयाबी तो साली झक मार के पीछे आएगी. And maybe if we start telling people that the brain is an app in this present generation, then they will start using it. So dear friends, please use it. Otherwise, you will lose it like this. Hi Diya, sahi pakde hai inko.